Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a race with our old friend Roy. How you going, Roy? I saw you into this race, so I decided to hop on. It's been fairly established he's a stronger rider than me, so same goal as always, try to hang on onto, I see him there, try hanging on to Roy as long as I can. Obviously try not to come last, but ideally I have not successfully stayed with the pack until the end of the race, so unless I became significantly stronger overnight, I don't see this happening for today's race. So I'm going to try my best to hang on as long as I can, and hopefully Roy's with me. If not, then looks like I'm going to do a couple of laps by myself. And again, every race is slightly different. We don't know how crazy the race can get, depending on who's in it. Alright, let's go. I didn't even check how many people were in today's race, but look at all these people sprinting already. Oh man. Let's put some music on. Alright, where's Roy? I can't see him. Why do they always start the race so hard? Oh, there he is. Finally saw you, Roy. Wearing pink today, buddy. I knew he's not going to miss the front pack. Let's wave. Hey, all right. Much more mellow than the group races, I can tell you that. Look, my heart rate's under 160. That's a miracle. The group races, I couldn't even get under 180. They applied the pressure from the start to finish. This is where people attack. Lung buster. I don't know how many of that I've got left. Alright, here we go again. I'm about to pop out the back. I think I'll survive another lap. Got a feeling this is going to be really intense. Can't believe I made it to the last lap. Oh fuck. Too strong. Can't beat it, I actually survived and hung with a front group, so I take that as progress. I got a new 5-second power from the last workout. Other than that, pretty much average today. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next ride.